Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix bicycle brake pads that are rubbing on one side. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my bicycle and it is upside down right now. Just so you know, what you're looking at is a bike that is upside down, handlebars and seat on the ground. And the reason why I did this is so that I could show you that when I spin the wheel, this side right here, the wheel stopped by itself. I did not do anything. So I'll keep my hands like this. This side of the brake pad is rubbing on the wheel, only this side. And yes, the wheel is not true. I need to straighten it out. But with that being said, you know, if this side was a little bit looser, I could still ride the bike rather easily. So if you have V brakes, which is what these are called right here, they sort of go around the rim like that, and then the pad presses up against the rim like this. So they go like a V formation, or almost like an A formation to a certain degree. They're called V brakes, but they look like a V or an A, depending on which way you're looking at it. If you have them and they're rubbing with one side only, I'm going to show you a little easy trick that you can do. And yes, you can really take this to the next level. You can loosen up a whole bunch of screws and components and readjust everything. But if your only problem is that one brake pad is rubbing, this is the easiest solution, okay? So like I said, you know, if you have bigger problems, like they're on an angle, they're not evenly spaced, then that's a different story. You should go ahead and make a complete adjustment. But if your only problem is that one brake pad is rubbing, you can actually adjust the set screw right here. So if you take a look, I'm going to zoom in just a bit, okay? There's a screw on the side of your V brakes right here, the one that you see right where my finger is. And if you turn it clockwise, it actually pulls the brake away from the rim, the brake that's on that side, the brake caliper, brake pad that's on that side, it pulls it away from the rim. If you turn it counterclockwise, it brings it towards the rim. So you can actually see this is very, very far out. So this has been turned counterclockwise quite a bit whenever the last adjustment was made. And right now, the brake pad is touching the rim. So if I want to pull the brake pad away from the rim to stop this side from rubbing, I can just hopefully take this set screw and turn it clockwise. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave it zoomed in. I'm going to take my screwdriver. I'm going to turn this clockwise. And when I turn it clockwise, it should pull the brake pad away from the rim. So keep an eye on the brake pad as I turn this clockwise. Okay? And as I turn it clockwise, I feel a little bit of tension. It's actually pulling the brake pad away from the rim. I don't know if you can see this. I'll turn like quite a bit at once so you can see it pulling it away. Just like that. Okay, so you saw that. So this is probably maybe a little too much turning. So I'm going to just turn it counterclockwise just a bit to bring it a little bit further in. But now when I spin the wheel, you can see that it doesn't rub on that side. Yes, like I said, I know that I have to go ahead and I have to turn the wheel. I have to true the wheel and fix the spokes and stuff like that. I totally understand that. But at least now I can ride the bike without the brake pad rubbing. It's literally that simple. So if your only problem is that one of your brake pads is rubbing, I'm going to stop this right here. Oh, wrong brake pedal. I'm looking at this backwards. Sorry about that. If your only problem is that one of the brake pads on your V brakes for your bike is rubbing against the rim, this can hopefully help you out. Just look for the set screw that I showed you and adjust it accordingly. And that is a very simple solution. Now, like I said, you can go through and do an entire brake adjustment if you need it. But for something like this, which this is a bike that I only ride like once every few weeks at the most, like really, I rarely ride it. I just wanted to take it out for a ride today, and the brake pad was rubbing, so I just wanted to make a very quick adjustment just to sort of be able to ride it comfortably without the brake pad rubbing, okay? That's it, a very easy solution. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.